Hello, today we will guide you through how to check in on Ryanair online. In this walkthrough, we'll use the official Ryanair website to locate your booking and get you ready to complete online check-in. Before you begin, have your reservation number and the email address used to make the booking handy. It also helps to keep your travel documents nearby, as you may be asked for details later in the process. Start by opening your browser and going to Ryanair's official website. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking the address bar and avoiding pop-ups or third-party offers. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the My Bookings option. This is where Ryanair keeps everything related to your trip. Click My Bookings. You'll be taken to the Manage area, which is designed for both account holders and guests. If you have a Ryanair account, you could sign in, but that's optional. For a quick lookup without signing in, select Find My Booking. This is the fastest way to pull up a single reservation. Now enter your reservation number, sometimes called a booking reference. It typically appears in your confirmation email and is often 6 characters long. Type it exactly as shown in your confirmation and avoid adding extra spaces or symbols. If multiple travelers are on the same reservation, this one reference should cover everyone on the booking. Next, type the email address that was used to purchase the ticket. Double check for typos, especially if you use more than one email account. Accuracy matters here because Ryanair uses this combination to match your reservation. When you're ready, click Retrieve Your Booking. If the system doesn't find it, recheck the reservation number and email, and try again. Sometimes a simple typo is the cause. Once your trip appears, review the details to confirm the names, travel dates, and flight segments are correct. From here, you can proceed into the online check-in flow. Depending on your fare and add-ons, the site may prompt you to confirm passenger information, choose or review seats, and then finalize check-in. If you're asked for travel document details, enter them carefully to avoid issues at the airport. A quick tip on timing. Ryanair's online check-in typically opens a set number of hours before departure, which can vary based on whether you've selected seats in advance. Check your confirmation for the exact window. After you've completed check-in, you can save your boarding passes to the Ryanair app or download and print them. That's it. By following these steps, you'll quickly retrieve your booking and be ready to complete the online check-in for your Ryanair flight. Safe travels.